Justice, and I'm back with another video. I'm putting up my Christmas tree. It's Christmas. We're all excited. Yay. But for real, today is Monday, Cyber Monday. So it's all over. All that's over with. And I told y'all that once this was over with, I was ready to get into the Christmas stuff. So I'm so excited. I got my tree last week. Got my decorations last week. I've been ready. I'm gonna show y'all. Obviously, I'm always gonna show you how to promote yourself and everything that you do. You wanna promote, put your name out there, drop that little bug in their ear. You already know what's going on. So we're gonna promote. So we're just starting off with this ribbon that I got from Michael's, and everything at Michael's was on sale, half off. And then on Thursday, it was like an additional 30% off.
Okay guys, so we're just getting started with putting the ribbon up, and this is my first time ever putting ribbon on the tree myself and not having any help with the tree, so I had to figure it out a little bit. I watched another YouTube video that pretty much said you just kind of stuff and then tuck, but that was not really working very well for me, so I did end up cutting it in sections because it kept coming apart, as you can see.
So I got some Christmas balls, little Christmas ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I found some wrapping paper that matched the glitter ball. So I found this one at Ross for $2.99, and I think this one at Marshall for $3.99. So it's gonna be organized.
Okay, so now we're putting the smallest Christmas ornaments on the tree. This is to fill in any gaps so that if you have any sparse areas, it's going to make your tree look fuller so you can put more smaller ornaments.
Okay guys, so it's getting late and I am going to pause on the tree, and I'm going to come back to the tree in the morning first thing, and we're going to finish this tree. But I gotta get my beauty rest. Make sure that you do get your necklaces at LeiaMooreBeauty.com, as well as your lashes and your lip gloss. Make sure that you're shopping with me and supporting, and I really do appreciate everybody that's supporting for Black Friday. I love you guys for that. I really, really do. But yeah, so we'll get back on it in the morning.
Okay, so now I am trying to find where to place my ornaments. I like to stand back and figure out where it's going to sit pretty. All of my ornaments pretty much came from Dollar Tree, and my tree topper in ribbon came from Michael's because all of that was, like I said, 50% off. Okay, so just a tip that I found out later, it's probably better to put any type of garland or lights or anything stringed, beads or popcorn or whatever you decide to put on your tree first. So I would definitely recommend doing that first, but I made it work. I did have to kind of go behind ornaments a little bit, but just keep in mind to do that first. Okay, now I am going in and adding my flowers to the tree. Like I said, I also got these from Michael's, 50% off of everything Christmassy. So I am putting flowers on the tree, and then I'm going to go in and add icicles. Oh, those are some cute little balls that I got from Dollar Tree that had mirrors on them. Look like little disco balls. Thought that would be a nice touch. to my glam tree. Okay, so now I'm just taking a blanket that I have. It's like a little furry blanket, and I'm going to wrap it around the bottom or the base of the tree to make a tree skirt that kind of looks like snow to kind of give that iced out winter snow effect. So here I'm starting my hot chocolate bar that I'm making, and I'm not 100% complete with it, but I got these little jars from Dollar Tree, and I'm just putting some peppermints in one, and I'm going to put some marshmallows in the other one, and I'm going to put some chocolate drops in another one. So hopefully it lasts because I will eat them. And now I am putting out my candles because I love candles. And the gray one is a fall scent that I got at Walmart for $3. And the white one I got at Dollar Tree. It was a Airwick candle. and it was vanilla and patchouli or something like that, but it was very relaxing. And now we're getting into making our own balls. So this is how I'm going to customize my Christmas decorations, by making ornaments for my business. So I'm just going to put some fake snow in there that are the same colors of my tree. And please use a funnel because this did get a little bit messy. And it gives it that glam effect. And these are my labels, and I'm going to be changing my labels soon, so I have to find a way to use all of these labels. So that says lashed by Leah Moore, and that's one ornament, and that says glossed by Leah Moore, and that is another ornament. And in total so far I have made 3 ornaments, and I'm just adding those to my tree, and here is the finished result. Okay, so if you've enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe for future videos and comment in the comment section below, what did you like most about this tree? I really enjoyed putting the tree up, and I have some more ideas coming soon, especially Christmas and festive, because I am really in the holiday spirit this year. So make sure that you are subscribing for future videos. As always, stay blessed.